Let us see this initial ODE problem and then find y2. Okay, so rewrite this equation down here. We have dy dx minus x exponential minus 2y is equal to exponential minus 2y. Okay, so we're going to shift this, okay, to the right hand side. So here we have dy dx. So in this case, we can factor out exponential minus 2y and 1 plus x. So this is just a separable differential equations. So we can move down the exponential minus 2y here. And then this will be just 1 plus x dx. Okay, so now we're going to do the integrations on both sides. Okay, so here we have plus c. So on the left side, when we do the integrations, we are integrating respect to exponential 2y. So we have exponential 2y divided by 2. And on the right side, this is equivalent to x plus x squared divided by 2 plus c. Okay, to find c, we're going to use the given initial conditions, which is y of 1 equal to 0. It means that at time at x equal to 1, y is 0. So we're going to substitute into the equations here. So in this, we substitute here, we have exponential 2. So y we're going to substitute as 0. Then this divided by 2, x substitute with 1, and then it's plus 1 squared is 1, 2 plus c. Okay, so on the right side, this is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so on the right side, we have 2 plus 1 is 3 plus c. Right, so that means that we can find what is the c value. This is equivalent to minus 1. Okay, so now we have this c, we get the particular solutions of this, which is equivalent to exponential 2y divided by 2 equal to x plus x squared divided by 2, substitute with c equal to minus 1. So the next question is, with these solutions, we need to find this, find y of 2, meaning that at x equal to 2, what is y? So we can substitute into this equation here. We have exponential 2y divided by 2. So x is 2, substitute here. So 2 is 4 divided by 2 is 2 minus 1. Okay, so now we have exponential 2y divided by 2. So 4 minus 1, we get 3. Then we exponential 2y, we get 6. Okay, in this case, we can take the ln on both sides. Then we have 2y is equal to ln 6. And then y is equal to ln 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.896.